Pump up, pump up. That's in. Up it.
Still good. Good try. Come on, guys.
It's in.
Nice. Let's go. Right there.
Good serve. In.
Good block. Good try. Good try.
We'll go walk around them.
Middle.
Right there.
That's in. Still good, still good.
Good try.
Huh?
They came up to me. There's some.
That's it. Oh, my bad.
It's all good. It's all good. Good try. Good try.
Yeah. Take it back, take it back, take it back.
Slide out right here. Let's go.
And we just gotta receive, we just gotta receive. Receive it, receive it.
Yeah.
Outside.
Right there. Use it.
Get some scores, Kev. Make some points. Good serve. Come in. Hey, I told you it was coming. I was throwing them because then like they lose the momentum.
Yeah, they were the team from this.
Reset. Let's go. Reset.
Come on, Nate. Next one.
Reset. Get up. It's coming over. You guys got this. Reset. Get up. Outside. Don't leave. They're hitting it. Okay, keep it on this side. Keep it on this side. Good serve.
Bring it up.
Good serve.
Good serve. Let's go. Free ball. Next one.
Call your balls. If you're gonna get it, call it, get it.
Is that Reese balloon?
You guys are aware that Shaw's taking the tickets?
Oh, he's taking them right now?
Or you guys are easy as for sure?
Yeah, it
He
depends
just
on
told me
it.
to tell you guys, but I
Oh,
wasn't
okay.
sure.
Yeah, it's just he could take them or they
Okay.
stay with us. Doesn't matter.
Okay, he said he's planning to take them.
To take them?
in a bit.
Okay.
Bye, Spider-Man.
Thank you. Coming over.
What's that?
Spring. Good serve. Shot taking a kiss. That's what shot told. Are you sticking them home or what? Don't know that? Yeah. He's gonna go over there, yeah. What about position? Just go make sure. Jerry, Chato Jerry. But I just put the screen to make sure that Mizzou knows that he's taking that. Light pole.
Let's go, right there.
Good serve.
I'll try.
That was it.
Dad? Let's go.
Outside. Game point?
Right there! Let's go!
No good, no good. Get the score. Nice serve. Good spot.
Go good! Let's go!